Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and I am standing on board a brand new 2026 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. This is a boat we have fallen in love with for this area. It does so many things so well, and this is a boat in prior times I've said you have to actually be on to believe. So let me point out some of the cool stuff. This boat has both sides folding down. Those beach doors on both sides come down. This lounger in the back is contoured, one of the prettiest places, of course, storage underneath. But this ultra leather is one of the nicest settings that you can get when you climb on board. They have made the interior of this boat absolutely beautiful and welcoming. It is enclosed on three sides, electric windows, electric sunroof, and a manual walk-through door there. But Cruisers Yachts does AC incredibly well. So this entire portion here on the top of the summer kitchen is air conditioned, as well as the bar there and the helm. Twin refrigerators here, grill unit, 120 plugs, sink, storage, in this massive U-shaped seat here on the starboard side with an engineered stone table that is very, very solid, makes for a wonderful entertainment place. I do love these bar stools here, but I've got to point out you've got a true double wide helm with a bolster. And I've got the step up just to be seen. Cruisers does great woodwork where they do it. That step really helps give you excellent visibility if needed. And let's not forget an ice maker. It's an option, of course, but underneath the helm chair. You've got twin Simrads at the dash. You've got a spotlight on this particular boat. And let's not forget that wonderful joystick from Mercury. This boat's got twin 600s. Those move this boat even around the dock, even in some wind and current, very, very well. And I want to point out, we don't often get into the cabins of these boats, but I want to point out a couple of really cool things about the cabin of this boat. This has a really pretty dark wood down here against its white, snow white upholstery. This can be converted, of course, forward, and you have a massive queen bed and lounging area underneath the deck. Again, really pretty woodwork out of Cruisers into a wet head with that same dark work. But here's what I want to point out is unique. You don't often get three refrigerators here. This is the third plus an ice maker on board this boat, which is important. Also, this Samsung TV is designed to come out and go up on the dash if you guys want it up there. Two AC systems, one down below, one up top. And of course, this boat has a massive, massive bow forward that is very deep. At 6 foot tall, you can see here at the start of the bow, it hits me right about my hip. A table goes up here, huge, huge lounging. You can very easily put 6 people in the bow of this boat. Stereo controls, lots of cup holders, charging ports. Guys, they have really, really cared about what this boat can do, both as a day boat and a weekender. We love these here. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, if you want to get on board one of the coolest boats in the low 40s, it's an outboard, it's here. Call me or my team. We'll put you on board and show you how your day on the water can change. See you soon.